So this is a prime example of why you have to always pull from the end when you're doing your measurements. Always check and make sure everything is square. So you make your square end and then you pull everything from there to make sure everything fits up. That way you'll have no problems when you're laying things out like this, especially if it's something big like this that you're fabricating. You want to make sure that it's an easy fit up. And these are just a couple tips when it comes to metal fabrication. And we are using the MIG welding process 0.30 wire. All gone, family.